My name is Azhar. I'm the managing partner and founder of Queens Court Capital. We focus on complex transactions in the lower middle market across several industries, including industrial, consumer, B2B, and essential services.
And what award have you won today?
I won the Social Impact Award.
And what does being recognized by your peers in the independent sponsor community mean to you?
It means a lot. I mean, this is my community here. These are people who I respect, who I look up to, who I admire. And so it means a lot to be recognized in this community. It's a community that's wonderful, and it has given me so much beyond just financial and business-related rewards.
And what does this award say about the role your firm is playing in today's independent sponsor ecosystem?
I would say our role is we look for transactions where there's some level of complexity. It could be restructurings, carve-outs, or roll-up consolidation plays. And so we are looking for interesting opportunities where there's a compelling proposition to the end market, and we take an entrepreneurial and operational angle to these businesses.
And in relation directly to the Social Impact Award, this award highlights the growing importance of ESG and impact. What motivated you to prioritize impact in this deal?
Well, it's interesting. Impact doesn't show up immediately when you think about how we think about transactions, but what I can tell you is everything we do is for the sake of our employee health, and that translates into the health of the company, it translates into the health of the community, and ultimately it translates into profitability. And so we've had a number of transactions where we've saved thousands of jobs in restructurings. We've also had transactions where we've promoted people internally from lower level positions to senior level leadership positions in our organization. This would not have happened, but what we identified was talent in the organizations that we were involved in, and that added a lot of value to our ultimate missions of building sustainable and profitable businesses.
And how do you balance financial returns with meaningful social or environmental outcomes?
Well, I think they go hand in hand. I think if you don't have good social impact as a filter in terms of, how are you treating your employees, how are you treating your community, how are you treating your customers, how are you treating your vendors, then I don't think you'll have financial results. I think if you have an organization that doesn't work closely with your employee base, your community, things of that nature, I think you may not have the results that you would want to see on the financial side.
And then finally, do you believe impact-driven investing will become a defining feature of the independent sponsor space?
I think it goes hand in hand. I think if you have a thesis and ultimately you need to see how that thesis plays out with driving alignment with management teams and full employee bases. And so I think it's hand in hand. I think the independent sponsor needs to think about how is this transaction going to impact the business and the employee base, and how can it impact the communities and everything. We were involved in a transaction where we bought a company out of bankruptcy at the height of COVID, and in doing so we saved close to 5,000 American jobs, and it was one of the best experiences I've had in my career, where literally folks came up to me afterwards thanking me for doing that, and these are people I didn't know, and it was truly one of the most rewarding, emotionally rewarding experiences we've been through. So I think it wasn't at the forefront of what we thought about when we started the transaction, but it gave me immense gratitude and immense satisfaction for what we do as a business, to be able to say we impacted the lives of thousands of Americans.